Y'all see we here at Body Language Tattoo Shop. Baby about to get a dermal put in her face. I'm going to work. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's see if she gonna be a good component, or she gonna be a crybaby.
Yeah, because once you start letting go, you need to let it go. You don't want a lot of bleeding.
Yep.
Key, getting really rough and I remember it's a 2.5 millimeter on our rays. I'm getting some of this excess off. Okay, yeah, no, this is an industrial strength. I'm like, wait a minute. Just that bevel. Because I was looking at the bevel and it had an industrial strength in there, and I was like, no. I ended up putting too much point in my finger. Alright. Bevel always down, facing you, Eric. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your nice few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Okay, one more time in. You did good. Then Eric, then going sideways.
What?
You'll see the fat tissue squeeze out. Okay. I'm gonna go in one more time. I'm gonna go in that way.
Cut that thing open like a filet mignon steak.
So it's not gonna be there.
Trying to get some ice blockers, but it's okay because I got a nice grip on her. She ain't going nowhere.
I can tell.
Might see a badass. Might be a badass.
You feel okay?
Oh yeah.
Sure.
That's about good enough. I'm about to end the video.
Sure, real good.
Somebody's badass.